If you've been intrigued by what you've been seeing on this channel and are considering moving to Saipan, if you'd like a sunnier, simpler, slower lifestyle while still being part of the US, then start with the Saipan Living Relocation Guide, an A to Z reference of everything you'll need to adjust to life here on Saipan, Tinian, or Rota. Order here on YouTube, on Amazon, or at saipanliving.com. Then consider a phone or Zoom consultation where you can ask any question at all to plan your move to Saipan. Then when you're ready to take the leap, you can sign up for a reconnaissance tour before you move, or a relocation tour. Visit different neighborhoods, see what life is like, get your paperwork in order, your PO box, your ID, so you can hit the ground running. As a bonus, if you sign up for any tour or consultation, you'll get a copy of the Fast Track Kit that has all the forms and documents and applications you need to start your residency. My name is Walt Goodridge. Let's make your move to Saipan simple, fast, and stress-free. Someone had asked about the driving school situation here on Saipan, so got some news for you on that. Unfortunately, there are no driving schools here on Saipan. From what I've been able to determine, I went to the Department of Motor Vehicles. I spoke to one young lady at the registration desk, vehicle registration desk. I spoke to another a young lady at the license desk, where people actually sign up for their driving tests and get the photos taken for their licenses. And both those offices informed me that they are not aware of any driving schools here on Saipan. We used to have them. We used to have at least one, I think as many as 3 at one point, but no more driving schools. So what that means for you is if you're planning to come to Saipan, then so follow up with that. So what people tend to do, obviously, is family members will teach their or friends will teach their friends and family, that sort of thing. So there's no official driving school here on Saipan. At one point, there was a bill that was being proposed to make driver's ed a mandatory part of the PSS, public school system here on Saipan. But apparently that did not go through, and that is not possible within the public school system. So your best bet, if you're planning to come to Saipan and you don't have a driver's license, your best bet is to get one before you come here, all right? Because if you don't have a support system, if you don't have friends and family who can teach you to drive, and I won't be available, then you may want to put that at the top of your list and get your license before you come here, so that you can get official training and not rely on the training here on Saipan, all right? But now, in terms of opportunity, what that means is that there might be an opportunity for people to set up a driving school here on Saipan. However, before you start drafting your business plan, be aware of a few things. One, when we did have a commercial driving school, I think they were charging $350 and up for lessons. I'm not sure if that's the package lessons or if that just a specific number of lessons for you to be qualified to take your driving test. It was $350. And unfortunately, many of the folks here would probably not be willing or able to pay that much, and they would probably just opt to do it themselves and train their family members. So if you can find a way to do it for less that's profitable, then you may want to consider that. The other thing is the adults probably wouldn't pay it, but the students, the 15-year-olds, the 16-year-olds who are interested in learning, if their parents can afford it, then parents may be able to afford those lessons for their kids. The parents who are sending their kids to private schools, so I'll give you a little bit of insight, is that we do have a public school system here on Saipan, and we also have private schools. And many of the professionals, the politicians, the doctors, the lawyers, The mainlanders will send their kids to private schools. So that's a market that you may want to focus on if you're setting up the driving school, is to have the parents of the kids in private schools pay for the driving lessons. So just a little bit of insight into how what the driving school situation is here on Saipan. All right.